Alright, welcome everyone. Thank you for joining this video. I'm TB Emmanuel underscore EMB. I'm gonna be showing you of course you are seeing it already, but just let me walk you through on how to best maximize this platform. This is Naira Trader, and so far I've made up to 4 withdrawals on this platform already. So to show you how effective and how legit, at least at this current moment, this platform is Naira Trader. So this is one of the best platform out there that you can use, and one of the different thing there is that it's based on Naira. All right, so the account that will be given to you is a Naira account. Is a Naira account. So, but it is paying. They pays, and every single both the referral withdrawal I've made and my profit account have passed. Every single withdrawal I've made, they within it's less than 24 hours. I will receive it in my bank account, in my local bank account, my Naira bank account. So let me just show you. So as you can see, so far I've so far I've an account here currently. This is the first account I opened. Reason is because I wanted to be sure first. That's why I even bought the lowest account. I wanted to be sure first if they are paying. So I bought the lowest account. But here currently you can see I have a new account here, phase 1. I'm still currently in the phase 1. I just bought it. It's a new account. But this is the one I've for this one I'm on funded 5. So which I've made withdrawal 4 times. So this is the 5th account under funded account under this one. So I'll just walk you through on how to go about that, and so you can get started right away. So once you log in, all right, using the link below, then you register. The verification does not take a long time. I think just with your NI also. So once you do that, all right, just make sure you use my referral code. Please use my referral code 760517. But of course I will paste the link in the description below. All right, so just copy the link. They won't deduct anything from your account. So it's a win-win for us. So this will be a pay for the commission. I mean, like for the stress. I mean, for what I'm doing, as a way of compensating me. That thank you for showing me this. So let's walk through their rules. Of course, this is their partnership. How much they've paid to people. How much they've sent for those who have referred. In the last 6 months, they've paid 1.5 million commission for people, not me. For all the referrals. All right, so let's check their rules here. Let's check their rules. So now, this is their rules. Let me explain to you very well. So I will explain everything for you clearly. Number 1. So the number 1 rule is that you don't. Number 1 rule is that is 20% overall drawdown or overall mass drawdown. Meaning, if you buy a 200,000 account, and which is I think is just 8,900. If you buy a 200,000 account, all right, the total amount you can have, the total loss you must have on it is just 40,000. 20% of 200,000 is what? 40,000. So once you blow account till like 160,000, you will lose that account. Do you understand? So you will lose that account. Your balance must not fall below 160,000. Okay, they've explained it here. Because maximum loss is 40,000. So your balance must not fall below 160,000. Then if your account grows to 220,000 also, your new balance, minimum balance, maybe you've grown the account to like 220,000, you must not lose the account to below 180,000, because now that your new account is 220,000, the 20% of 220,000 will now be what? 40,000, right? So then, if you now lose that 40,000 again on this 20k, that means once your account get to 180k, you lose the account. If you grow your account to 240,000, you must not lose below 200,000, because it must be 40,000 naira maximum losses before you breach the account. Do you get now? Then the second rule is that you must not scalp. You must not scalp. You must not do 1 minute or 2 minutes scalping. So on more than 5 positions, that is, if you scalp 5 times, 1 minute, 2 minutes, you lose the account. So meaning your trade must be at least 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So if you mistakenly open a position and hey, that is not the position you wanted to open, you can close it, but you must not do that more than up to 5 times. If not, you breach the account. So that is that on that. So now for this one, the profit target is just 10%. So meaning if you get a 200,000 account, just what you are looking for is just 20,000, and it's in 2 phases. The accounts are in 2 phases that will still get there. So your profit target is just 10%. So once you get 20,000 naira profit on that 200,000 account, you pass that phase. Do you understand? Then no, there is no daily drawdown. This only overall drawdown. Then 5-day activities rule. You must not go for 5 days without trading on that account. Meaning from Monday to Friday, you must not, at least you must trade once. If not, you blow the account. You have breached it. So meaning you must trade at least once in 5 days. Then let's come to buy accounts. Let's see the accounts available. So we have this account available. We have 200,000 accounts, which you only pay 8,900 for it. Alright. Then you have phase 1. It's only 2 phases. Phase 1 and phase 2, you just pass 10%. Payout is within 5 minutes. So minimum days, there is no limit. Daily loss, no daily loss. Period. You can trade as many. You can trade for up to 2 months before you pass the account. So there's no period time. So you can trade if you don't have time for like a whole month. Just that you must trade at least once in 5 days. Weekend, yes, you can trade in on weekends. Rewards, every single time I withdrew. They always take 20% out of the money I withdrew. So your own reward is 80%. So for instance, maybe you passed the account, you grow the account to like 100,000. So if you make a withdrawal, you only get 80,000 naira back. So they will take 20,000. If it is just 20,000, they will take about 44,000. You will get 16,000. So that is their own reward. Then so this is the same thing for a 400,000 account and 600,000 account. So if you purchase a 400,000 account, know that your own goal, the 10% here will be 40,000 naira, not 20,000 naira like here. The maximum loss here will be 80,000 naira. You must not lose more than 80,000 naira. If it is this one, 60,000 naira is the profit target. The maximum loss is what? Is 120,000 naira. Do you understand now? Which is the 20% of 600,000. Sorry, I think that's 180,000 naira. No, 120,000 naira, 20%, sorry. So 10% is 60,000, 20% is 120. So the same rules for everything. So the idea is the payment for this one, and it's just one-time fee. So, and they are very good, guys. Their spread is okay also. Then these are all we do. I think I want to show you something also. This one is 2-step, just 2 phases. Once you pass phase 1, phase 2, then you will be given funded account. This one is 3-step, fund manager plan. This one is 500,000. No 10% mass profit on first payout. Okay, so this one, no 50%, no 50% cap, earn as you like. 30% maximum drawdown on funded stage. So these are another tiers. These are 3 tiers payout. This one is no KYC, no 10% mass profit on first payout. So this one is maximum of 30% drawdown, but they are 3-step funded accounts, 3-step fund manager plan. So that is that. On that, let's click on start now. This one is just 10,000 now to start. Let's see there. Okay, so phase 1, their drawdown is 15%, profit target is 10%. So meaning on this 500,000 naira, your profit target is 50,000. Then phase 2, same thing, but drawdown is 10%, which is 50,000. Phase 3, drawdown is 5%, profit target is 10%, 50,000. Do you understand? Then and all that, then you'll be given a funded account. And once you get the funded account, you can make any profit on it and withdraw. Now there's last one I want to show you. The last one is that you can only withdraw. Okay, not this. So let's go back. Okay, the last rule is that you can only withdraw on these ones here. You can only withdraw 50%. I mean, you can only make 50% on the account. Meaning, on 20,000 naira account, you can only trade if your target is, you can't make more than 100,000. If you make more than 100,000, it won't count for you. So you are only targeting on 100,000 naira profits. If you make more than 100,000 naira, that one will not count for you. So I'm looking at, it's only 50% profit you target. I'm trying to look at the rule here. They wrote it somewhere. So if you have a 400,000 naira account, is only 200,000 naira you should target on. I don't want the video to be too long, but they wrote it somewhere. But that is just their rule. That's just their rule. You must only make 100,000 naira on the 200,000 naira account. So it's only 50% maximum profit. Maximum profit. I want to see where they wrote it. Sorry. But that's just it. You can just walk through the platform and see everything. Alright. Thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can get more videos. I'm trying to check it. Okay, payout. So this is the payout now. Minimum payout is 10%. So once you pass, maybe you have a 20,000 account. Once you make 20,000 on it, you can withdraw every time you make 20,000. If it is 400,000 account, once you make 40,000, then minimum payout cap is 50%. They can't pay you more than 50% of your account. So if you make 150,000 on a 20,000 account, they only pay you 100,000. Present time is within 12 hours, and it's very true. Except there's issue. But every single time I withdraw yesterday. So I got it within this time range. So that is that about that. And subscribe to this channel. And I love you all.